If you're looking to compare Salesflare versus Pipelineer CRM for visual sales pipelines, you're in the right place. Both of these platforms promise to help you manage and visualize your sales pipeline, but when it comes to choosing the better option, there are some critical differences you need to know. Stick around to find out which one might actually be holding you back from reaching your sales goals and why there might be a better alternative for you. Let's start with Salesflare. One of the biggest selling points of Salesflare is its smart automation. It's designed for small businesses and startups, using AI to collect customer data automatically. It integrates with your email, calendar, and social media accounts to build a 360-degree view of your leads. While the idea sounds great in theory, the execution can be a little hit or miss. The automated features don't always pick up on the smaller details, and the pipeline visualization, while functional, lacks the depth and customization that some businesses need. Next, let's talk about Pipelineer CRM. This platform places a big emphasis on visual sales pipelines, offering a colorful, drag-and-drop interface that's easy to navigate. Pipelineer gives you a very visual representation of your sales stages, which some users love. It's great for teams who thrive on intuitive design. But here's the catch: Pipelineer is definitely more suited for larger teams. The customization options are robust, but they come with a learning curve. So if you're a small business or just getting started with CRM software, you might find yourself struggling to take full advantage of all its features. The next thing to consider is the pricing. Salesflare is relatively affordable, but it can become quite expensive as your team grows and you unlock additional features. Pipelineer is more expensive from the get-go, especially if you want advanced features like reporting and analytics. While it does provide a lot of customization, the price tag may not be justified for smaller businesses. So, if you're a smaller team or a solo entrepreneur, you might feel the cost doesn't match the return, especially with the complex features that you might not need. Another important factor is integrations. Salesflare offers a wide range of integrations, from Slack to Gmail, and it's all relatively seamless. Pipelineer CRM, on the other hand, also has a solid array of integrations, but it's not always as smooth as Salesflare. Some users report having issues with syncing and syncing delays, which can be frustrating, especially if you're trying to maintain a consistent workflow. Now, let's talk about reporting. This is where Pipelineer CRM shines a little brighter. The platform gives you a more comprehensive and detailed set of reports than Salesflare. You can drill down into your sales process and really analyze what's working and what's not. Salesflare's reporting, while useful, lacks the depth and flexibility of Pipelineer's. So, if your sales team is data-driven and needs a variety of reports, Pipelineer is the better choice for you. The final thing we should consider is the user experience. Both platforms are fairly user-friendly, but Pipelineer's visual sales pipeline is more aesthetically pleasing. The drag-and-drop functionality feels smooth, and the overall design is cleaner. However, Salesflare does have an edge when it comes to simplicity and automation. If you don't want to waste time configuring things, Salesflare is easier to get up and running quickly. So, to wrap things up, both Salesflare and Pipelineer CRM are solid choices for visual sales pipelines. However, if you're after something more intuitive and affordable, you might want to look elsewhere. After trying both platforms myself, I found that they have their strengths, but there's one CRM that stands out for helping small businesses visualize and track their sales pipelines with ease. And if you want to try that out for yourself, make sure to take advantage of the free trial by clicking the first link in the description. You'll also get exclusive benefits that are only available to our viewers. Trust me, this CRM could be exactly what you need to streamline your sales process and take your business to the next level. Don't miss out.